Hudson's Playground. We're here at the farm and Rubble's kind of in trouble. He got up on the hay bales and we gotta rescue him. But we need y'all's help to figure out how to get him down. Let's see.
Tractor?
You think we should use a tractor? Maybe we can climb up there. Y'all wanna try and climb up there? Let's try and climb, come on.
Daddy.
You need help? Okay, let's try and get it. Let's go. How are we gonna get up there? It's so tall. Let's try right here. Look, there's a little step. Let's try and get up right here. You ready? Now what? It's still so tall. Oh no. You think we should get a tractor? Let's go get a tractor. It'd be so much easier. Let's go. Help, help, I'm on this ledge. I need help. Help me, Hudson's Playground. How are you going to get Rubble down? What do you think, Hudson?
Tractor?
What are you going to use that rock? You're going to try and knock him down? Try and throw it up there. Oh, almost. Let's go get a tractor. It'll be so much easier. How do you think we're going to get Rubble down? What is that? What should we use?
Golf cart?
You want to use the golf cart? Let's try. Beep, beep, beep. Backing up.
Backing up.
We're here to save you, Rubble.
You say yes.
Let's try to save him. Come on.
Daddy, I want to walk there by myself.
Okay, because you're such a big boy. Let's see if you can do it. We gotta save Rubble. He wants down.
I'm coming for you, Rubble.
Come on, Rubble. Let's save you. Ugh. He's still too high. I can't reach him. Man. Let's get a tractor. It'd be so much easier, right? Let's get a tractor, guys. Get him with that rock. Oh! You knocked him over. But he's still up there. We need a tractor. It's not working. Hurry, guys. I'm scared. You knocked me over with the rock, but I'm still stuck on the hay bales. Help! Help! Look, here's a tractor, but I don't know if this one's gonna work. Do you think we can rescue him with a forklift? I don't know. How are we gonna get him? Over here, it's got these forks, but I don't know if that's gonna work. Maybe we should find another tractor. What do you think? Whoa, a loader? Look at the loader. That'll work. Come on. Wow. Oh, look at the loader. Good job, Hudson. It's got a huge bucket on the front. Come look at it. And another golf cart. That's not gonna work. We already tried a golf cart. I think with this bucket, Daddy can get in here and you can raise me up and I can get Rubble off the hay. You could raise me all the way to the top, right?
No,
Let's do that.
No, I want to go in.
Oh, you want to get in the bucket? Maybe we'll both get in the bucket. You want both of us to get in here? Yeah. There's plenty of room. We can sit in the bucket. Yeah, tons of dirt. Let's go rescue Rubble. Come on. First, we got to inspect the tractor to make sure everything's okay. Like these huge tires. They're bigger than you. Look, they're way up here.
Look.
Yeah. And here's our stairs to climb in and out of the tractor.
And look.
Yeah, we got all the controls in there. I'll show you all the controls in just a second. Let's go check the other side first. Oh, right here. This is where we put the diesel. This one doesn't take gasoline, it takes diesel. You gotta remember that. We got all of our lights in the back so people know if we're going left or right. Everything looks good.
Good.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go save Rubble! think of another way to get Rubble. I got an idea. Let's go check on Rubble, because I got a good idea. You ready? Let's go. We're going to climb up here and go save Rubble, because he's on the other side. But this side's easier to climb on. So we're going to climb up, and then y'all see us coming off the top. Come on, let's go. You ready? Sit right there. All right, you want to start climbing more? You got to climb the hay. Ugh. Go, go, go. Go, Hudson, go. Daddy's got you. Keep going. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. We made it. There's Rubble. Let's get him. Ah, we got Rubble. Oh no! You knocked him down to the ground. Rubble, are you okay? Wow, thank you guys for saving me. Thank you, Hudson's Playground. I was so scared on top of all those hay bales. Thank you for saving me. Thank you for saving me, Hudson.
Anytime.
Do I need to go back to the Paw Patrol now?
Yeah.
I had fun at your farm. Can
Bye-bye, Rubble.
Can I come back anytime?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. If you could, please click subscribe so you know when all of our tractor videos come out. We would appreciate it. Click one of our videos below. And thank you. Bye.
Bye.